Welcome back to Code India. In our last video, we initialized our bench and got the server running. Today we take the first real step into development, creating your first Frappe app. This guide will walk you through the essential task of generating a new application. We will use Bench, our command line sidekick, to build the complete file and folder structure for a project we'll call Library Management. Step 1 is a quick location check. Before you can create an app, you must be inside your bench directory. Run the command bench find in your terminal. If you are in the right place, the terminal will confirm is a bench directory. Now let's create the scaffold. Run the command bench new app library management. This command generates all the necessary boilerplate code so you don't have to start from scratch. Step 3. The CLI will ask for some details like app title, description, and publisher. You can fill these out or just press enter to accept the defaults for now. Don't worry. You can always change these in the hooks.py file later. Watch the terminal. Bench is installing dependencies and building your JavaScript and CSS assets. When you see done in, followed by a success message, you know your app has been created successfully. So where is it? You can find your complete source code inside the apps folder of your bench directory. Go ahead and check it. Frappe bench greater than apps greater than library management. Let's quickly look at the anatomy of your app. Hooks.py, this is the brain. It intercepts and extends framework functionality. Public, this holds your static assets like images and CSS. dbw, this is where your standard web pages live. Py project.bench, this manages your Python dependencies. You have the code, but it doesn't have a home yet. To actually run this app, we need to install it on a site. That is exactly what we will do in the next video. Ready to level up? If you're ready to connect your app to a database, hit that subscribe button. This is Code India. Let's build something amazing together.